Okay guys, somebody who watched my video asked me to post another sound test video of my Polk audio, so I'm just posting a video, and I'm sure this phone is not going to capture what the sound this thing reproduces, I'm sure. Still, I'm just playing right now. I put on this DVD which I thought had pretty good sound, and I kept my bass at the lowest, and the volume also is in the middle, in fact very low volume. So I'm going to play the video. Bass is at the lowest right now. Let's check out. Now I'm increasing the bass. Now the low frequency has gone up pretty well. Now let me just increase the volume. Pretty loud and very exciting to hear right now. I don't know, the phone is capturing the sound well.